did bounce off of the bottom, but what we're seeing is we are approaching previous resistance at 675. It has not been able to push above that mark all day. So what we probably will do is, if it can't breach that, we're just going to take profit. What you see here, it hit that 675 mark, went down, bounced off the bottom of the VWAP, and trending up just a little bit. We're looking at the MACD, a bit of a shift, but it has been a put day. It's been put season, and so I gave back some of what I got, but it's still around 1 o'clock. Normally I'm done trading. However, I got a couple calls looking for a push off the bottom. We do see some tightening here, whereas we see the VWAP is not as broad as it was before. So what we're doing, we're just absorbing the trade. We'll take our profit, and as you can see, selling pressure comes in at this level, and we're at 674.50, but we see that the sellers are quickly stepping in to push it down despite what we see on the MACD. And if this trend continues to hold this area, then probably tomorrow we're going to see a push lower down towards lower levels. So here's what it looks like in real time. You can see it did make an attempt, but even here you can see lower lows, which definitely I took that, but I hopped into a trade in the opposite position. But the trend has been so strong going the opposite way that we're not getting the push that we would like. That normally happens in the market when the calls just rally up because the puts have been dominant today. So what I'll do is just probably going to call it a day and take whatever little bit of money I can make in the trade, because the most important thing about trading is preserving your capital. And trading is not a marriage, it's a mission, and you want to be in and you want to be out.